Viewers, I am Ayaz. Welcome back to my channel Elevate English Confidently with Ayaz. Today you guys gonna learn 20 in a correct way. So let's start. The first one is his uncle died blank the war. So here we will use this D will be the correct answer, because if war will be there, then before the war the preposition in will be used always. So keep in mind. So D is the correct answer. The second option is the phone rang dash I was having a lunch. So A while, B during, C for, D in. So what will be the correct answer? 8. So the correct answer will be C for several years. Blank I was in Karachi. I made a lot of friends. So here while, during, for, in. So the correct answer is A while. While I was in Karachi, I made a lot of friends. So the fifth one is I was on a tour blank 3 weeks. First one is 8, second one is in, and third one is on, fourth one is for. So the correct answer will be D for 3 hours. 6. A cricket match lasts blank 20 minutes. So blank 20 minutes. While, B during, C for, D 8. So the correct answer will be C for 20 minutes. 7 is traffic is always bad blank the rush hour. So here B will be the correct answer, during the rush hour. A is while. A option is while, B is during. So during will be the correct answer. 8. Reza came round blank we were eating. While, during, for, in. So here A will be the correct answer, because if you will look at the sentence structure, then you will is it. So this is not a logical one. If the MCQs will be logical, I will explain there. So it is my birthday blank next week. So here it will be next is here. So on next week, no, this is not. If this is a logical one, so that's why I will explain it. So listen carefully. If next this every if next this every will come, then no preposition will be used. So keep in mind this is a trick, so you have to keep in this mind. So before next there will be no preposition will be used. So this is correct. It is my birthday next week. So you don't say on next week. So D will be the correct option. So here when blank Monday. So here 10. The correct answer will be on. So why on? Because before days, the preposition on will, when something is on the table, then you can use. When something is on the surface, then you can use on there. So before days, on will come, always keep in mind. So this was a tricky one, so that's why I have explained it. 11th MCQ is blank, when were you born? So here no preposition will be used because this is WH questions. If WH questions will be asked, then there will be no preposition. So the 12th preposition so the 12th sentence is blank 9 o'clock blank the afternoon. So 9 o'clock in the afternoon. So 8 is used for time, specific location, for example at the airport, at the gate number 4, at monument, etc. If the specific location will be given, then you will use at. If time will be there, then you will use at. In is used for in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. So here the afternoon, so that's why we have used in. So in is also used for months, seasons, and years. If season, months, and years will come, then you will also use in there. So here the correct option is at or in. So 13th MCQ is what did you do dash the weekend? So here 13, the answer will be B, in the weekend. So sometimes the British people are using at the weekend, so American people are using in the weekend. So I will recommend to follow American, this in the weekend, because both are same. There will be a little bit difference between British and American. So in the weekend will be correct. The 14th MCQ is we went for shopping blank Saturday evening. So now here day, specific day is came. So here this, if specific day is came, so then our answer will be C, on Saturday. Days we told earlier that when days will come, then before days the preposition on will be used there. So the 15 MCQs is blank 9 o'clock some friends came around for a party. So it is too much simple. I have explained this earlier. So here 8 will be the correct answer, because here they have mentioned a time. So A will be the correct answer. So here 16, blank last year this summer was great. So I have explained earlier that if last, next, if last, next, this, every will come, then no preposition will be used. Here last came after preposition, so there will be no preposition. And this 17 MCQs is the best weather is blank spring and autumn. So here B will be the correct answer, because here these are seasons. Remember that seasons, for example, spring and autumn is seasons. So in plus seasons, in plus months, in plus years. So if season will come, then you should use in. If months will come, then you use in, because in April, in May, in September, in August, etc. In plus years, in 1980, in 1947, etc. If the exact date will come, for example 14 August 1947, if this thing will come, then you should use the preposition on, because here they have mentioned the specific date with month and the year. So here you can't use in, here you will use on 14 August 1947. So remember this. So here is I learned to drive blank 2024 blank the age of 24. So here if year will come, so I have said earlier, so the preposition in will be used. In here 8 will be used, because before the age the preposition 8 will be used there. So in at the age of 24, so this C will be the correct answer. 19 MCQs is I will phone you blank 4 o'clock. So here I have said earlier that if time if they will mention a time, then just close your eyes and tick on this option. At 4 o'clock will be the correct answer. Today's last sentence is my brother learned dash the same time as me, but I passed first. So here if time will be mentioned in a sentence, then you should use 8. If there will be no use of time, then you will use in the same scene or anything else. If time will come, then you should use at the same time. So thank you so much, viewers. I am hopeful that you have understood this. If you have understood this, and you are a student who want to learn English confidently and many other things which I will cover in my this channel, through my this channel. So thank you so much, viewers, once again.